Hello friends, this is Iuliia Dmukh and we continue to create Christmas miracles with our own hands. This time I had an idea to create decoration for the Christmas table in an eco style. To do this, I took thick cardboard, card holder, twine and natural materials. First of all, we cut out two triangles from the cardboard. After that, we fixed the cardboard on the card holder using a glue gun. We need to wrap the finished base with twine and fix it with glue, like this. It wouldn't take a lot of time, believe me. And when the base of Christmas tree will be ready, we can decorate it with anything. Coffee beans, dry beans, pasta, dried flowers, everything what you want. I choose it elder corners and seeds of some unknown plant to me. Like this. Inside of the seeds boxes, I put some plastic beads just to make it more bright. If you want more bright, you can touch a little bit white acrylic paint on some places of the Christmas tree. But as you wish. And we will do the same on the other side. And there shouldn't be a lot of elements. There should be a balance. Like this. At the end, we will fix the top of Christmas tree. And you can choose a bow, star, or a plant. As I choose, it's like I found this in a shop, so I use it. Look at this, you will see now. And as you can see, everything is simple. The main thing is not to burn your fingers with glue. So, our Christmas table decoration is almost ready. So we will put this seed box on the top. And what is the next? See you at the next masterclass. Subscribe on my channel.